When I came here, I didn't know anybody at all. We came from down south, so I left all my friends and my family behind. But when I came past here and saw the crochet group and how friendly they were, it made me feel that I could make friends here, and they made me feel welcome.
Monkey Park's a place where people can come together in our local community of Brampton and support each other. We're trying to provide activities in our community for all ages and to suit all tastes. And we're doing that by enabling local people to start things. That includes physical activities, it includes craft activities, and it includes things like having kids clubs on a Saturday afternoon.
Oh, lovely, Emily.
As well as our community hub and cafe, we've also created a couple of specialist spaces for people to come together. One of them, the bike workshop, takes in donated bikes and enables local volunteers to fix up those bikes, share and gain skills, and makes bikes available to the local community at an affordable price.
We have volunteers who are retired now, volunteers that are going into full-time education, or volunteers that are looking for full-time employment, and the skills that they've learnt here, including formal training we've managed to provide, can go towards doing that.
I like coming here, fixing bikes, meet friends.
We wanted to create a space in our community where people could work together in a supportive way, creating a working community. So we've created a co-work space modelled on these kind of spaces all around the world.
Even though they're from different backgrounds and sectors, people can often bounce ideas off one another and just get help and inspiration, and it's just very interactive. So I think that's a real bonus for somebody starting out in business, because there is that opportunity to meet so many other people who are on the same wavelength.
This building had gone derelict for 5 years, and we thought, let's use a building that's unused in our local community where we live. So we took on this building and we rebuilt it when we had a 3-year commercial lease. But we always knew that we were going to put it in trust for our community. We just had to find the way of doing it. And we found Social and Community Capital. They've been very supportive throughout the entire process of filling in our funding gap and enabling us to buy the building and put it in trust for our community.
It's really homely, and you come in and it's a lovely place and it's a lovely atmosphere.
I talk to people and I make them drinks, and I make friends with people, and I feel like that's important.
We've now taken on 7 part-time staff to move us forward to creating the better Brampton we want to see. We wouldn't have been able to do that unless we had a sustainable business model, and that relies on us being in charge of our own building.
All spectrums of the community come in here, and I think it's a more friendly place. Everybody's welcome.